Come to mountain pose. Close your eyes. Press down into your feet and lengthen up through the crown of your head. Bring your shoulders down your back, palms to your heart. Find that intention. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. On your in-breath, reach up, pressing down into those feet. Exhale, up and over to the right, firm into the left foot. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, other way. Inhale up. Exhale, bow. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale for plank pose. Exhale, knees down or not, lower down. Inhale for baby cobra, cobra, or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feel free to stop in child's pose if you'd like. Nice work. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, open your hip. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step that right foot forward. Inhale, twist to the right. Squeeze the thighs together. Exhale, release. Step forward, forward fold. Press down as you rise up. On the in-breath, reach. Exhale, bow. Inhale, the left leg back. Exhale, downward facing. Plank on your in-breath. Exhale, lower down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Beautiful. Inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, bend the knee and roll open. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, release, step forward, forward fold. Inhale, rise up, stretch up, pressing down, reaching up. Exhale, hands on your back. Inhale, little back bend. Exhale, bow. Release your hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale to plank and lower down. Inhale up. And exhale back. Child's pose or down dog for 5 breaths. On your in-breath, look forward and step forward. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up, reach up, stretch up. And exhale, palms to your heart. Up to mountain pose. Sorry. It's windy as anything out here. All right, we're going to be really catching the flow right now. But I want you to feel grounded because especially when it's wild outside, we need to be grounded within ourselves, physically and otherwise. But we can still play. Mountain pose, close your eyes, take a big breath and send the breath down. Feel your feet. Long exhale. Bring your palms to your heart. Find that steadiness. Inhale, reach your arms up. Clasp your hands, turn your palms up. Press down into your feet as you stretch up. Chin is in neutral. Big inhale. Nice. Exhale up and over to the left. Press into the heel of that right foot. 5 breaths. If you want, you can rest your head on your left biceps. If you can, you shift your gaze toward the hands. Pressing down, stretch up on your in-breath. Exhale, other direction. 5 breaths. Press down and stretch up on your in-breath. Exhale, release. Reach behind you. Clasp your hands. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together as you open up front body. Exhale, bow. Bend your knees as much as you need. Relax your head. Release your hands down. Inhale the right leg back to a lunge. Exhale, knee shin, top of the foot down. Press into the front foot as you come up on your in-breath. On your out-breath, plank and lower down. Knees can be up or down. Inhale for baby cobra, cobra, or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, bend the knee, roll the hip open. Inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Back knee, shin, top of the foot down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release to plank and lower down, or you can skip it and go to child's pose or down dog. Inhale, up. And exhale, back. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, right foot forward. Take a deep breath in, twist to the right. Exhale, release, forward fold. Inhale, rise up, stretch up, clasp your hands, turn your palms up, feel those feet as you stretch up, and exhale to your right. 5 breaths. Press into the left heel. Inhale up. Exhale other way. Inhale. Press down, reach up. Exhale, slowly release. Reach behind you. Switch the cross of your thumbs as you clasp. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Release your hands. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee, shin, top of the foot down. Pressing into that right foot, come up on your in-breath. Exhale to plank and lower down. You can always go straight to down dog and skip these if you need to. Inhale up. Take your time. We all meet up on our mats anyway. Exhale back. Inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, bend that knee, roll your hip open. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Right knee, shin, top of the foot down. Inhale, come up. Gorgeous. Exhale to plank and lower down, or you can come straight to down dog. Inhale up. Shoulders stay down, elbows are squeezed in by your sides, and then exhale back. Inhale, raise your left leg. Exhale, step your left foot forward. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, release, step forward, forward, fold. Pressing down into those feet, rise up on your in-breath and reach up. This time on your out-breath, reach behind your back, hands on your back. Inhale, open that body. Exhale, bow, slow, 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 slow. And release your hands. Inhale, half lift. Either straight to down dog or plank and lower down on the out breath. Inhale for your little back bend, no rush at all. And exhale, child's or down dog, 5 breaths. On your in-breath, look forward and come forward. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up, reach up. Stretch up, pressing down into your feet. Exhale, palms to your heart. Come to mountain pose, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Inhale, press down to the feet, reach your arms up, clasp your hands, turn your palms up. Exhale, up and over to the left, firm into that right heel. Gaze is up at the hands. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, other way. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, reach behind you, clasp your hands. Inhale, pull down and open. And exhale, bow. Release your hands to the earth. Inhale the right leg back. Exhale, knee shin, top of the foot down. Inhale, reach up. Either straight to down dog or on your exhale, you're going to come to plank and lower down. Inhale, baby cobra, cobra, or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, bend your right knee, roll your hip open. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Back knee can be up or down. You're going to come up on your in-breath. I like it. Exhale, either straight to down dog or you're going to come downtown all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, step your right foot forward. You can have your back knee up or down, but you're going to come up on your in-breath. Get yourself steady. Really feel those feet. Exhale, palms to your heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist to the right. Left elbow outside the right thigh. Press those palms together. Right shoulder down your back. Look up and over that right elbow or shoulder. 5 breaths. Inhale back to center. Ooh, that's a tough one. Exhale, release your hands. Step forward, forward, fold. Inhale, rise up. Press down into those feet as you stretch up. Turn your palms up, reach up. Exhale, up and over to your right. Inhale, press down and stretch up. Exhale to your left. Inhale up. Exhale, reach behind you. Clasp, switch your thumbs. Inhale, open. Exhale, bow. Release your hands. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee shin, top of the foot down. Inhale up. On your exhale, you can go straight to down dog. Heck, you can take child's pose or plank and lower down. Inhale up. And exhale back. Inhale, raise your left leg. Exhale, bend your left knee, roll that hip open. Inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, step your left foot forward. You're going to stay off that back knee if you want to and rise up on your in-breath. On your out-breath, you're going to lower down, either down dog or you're going to come through your chaturanga or knees down chaturanga. Inhale up and exhale back. Same leg up in the air on the in-breath, left leg. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Back knee can be up or down. You're going to rise up on your in-breath. Exhale, palms to your heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, prayer twist to the left. 5 breaths. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, release, step forward, forward fold. Pressing into your feet, rise up on your in-breath, reach up. Exhale, hands on your back. Inhale, open. Get a stretch for those wrists. Exhale, bow. Take your time when you bow out of this. Release your hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, either straight to down dog, child's pose, or come through your vinyasa. We're all going to be meeting up in down dog or child's pose for 5 breaths. On your in-breath, look forward and come forward. Exhale, bow in. Inhale, rise up, reach up, stretch up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Come to mountain pose, close your eyes. Feel everything. Feel your feet. Feel the length of the spine and breathe. A grounded but funky flow. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Feel your feet. Exhale, go deeper. Bring your palms to your heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist to the right. Left elbow outside the right thigh. Press the palms together. Look up and over that right elbow. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, other way. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, press into your feet to pump up, up, up. Clasp your hands, turn your palms up, stretch on your in-breath. Exhale to your left. Inhale, up. Exhale to your right. You go both ways here. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly reach behind you, clasp. Inhale, open. Exhale, bow. Release your hands. Inhale, the right leg back. Exhale, knee down, shin, top of the foot down. Inhale, come up. Exhale to either downward facing dog or to plank and lower down. It's a long exhale. Inhale, baby cobra, cobra, or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, bend your right knee, roll your hip open. Inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, step your right foot forward. You can have your back knee down or not. We're gonna rise up on the in-breath. Move with your breath. Reach on your out-breath, either straight to downward facing dog or plank and lower down. If you chose that, you're gonna inhale up. And exhale back. Same leg, right leg high on your in-breath. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Back knee can be up or down on your in-breath. We're going to rise up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, prayer twist to the right. Inhale, back to center. On your out-breath, if you have your back knee down, you're going to place your hands down. Slowly come up. So we can all meet up right in this position. Just take your time. Good. Inhale, reach up. On your out breath, bring your palms to your heart and bring your left knee up to your chest. Move with intention. It's easier for me because I knew what was coming, I know. Take a deep breath in. And on your out breath, keep your hands here. Pick that lifted leg back with the foot flexed for a version of Virabhadrasana 3. You can stay here or reach your arms with your hands in prayer forward. 5 breaths. stretch back, stretch forward, take a big breath in. Chair pose. Woo! Yay, chair! Bring your palms to your heart, take a big breath in. Exhale, to your left, twist. Inhale back to center. Exhale, other way. Inhale back to center. Exhale, press down to rise up, stretch up, clasp your hands, turn your palms up, big inhale. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. We have so much fun. Inhale up. Exhale, reach behind you, clasp. Inhale, pull back and open. Oh, yes. Exhale, bow. Release your hands. Inhale the left leg back. Exhale, knee, shin, top of the foot down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, either down dog or you can come down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, lift your left. Exhale, bend the knee, roll the hip open. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Back knee can be up or down as we rise up on your in-breath. Exhale, either downward facing dog, child's pose, or plank, and lower down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Back knee can be up or down. Slowly rise up on your in-breath. That was great. Exhale, palms to your heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, prayer twist to the left. Inhale, back to center. On your out breath, if your back knee is down, hands down and come off that back knee. We're all going to meet up, arms up on the in-breath. Exhale, palms to your heart. Take a big breath in. Exhale, step that right knee up toward the chest. And flex the foot. Big inhale. Exhale, warrior three. You can keep your palms to your heart or you can reach. 5 breaths. Chair pose on your in-breath. Yay! Exhale, press into your feet, stand up, reach up on your inhale. I meant outhale. Wait, I meant inhale. Exhale, reach behind you, hands on your back. Because I wanted to break the pose on the exhale, but I broke it on the inhale because I thought Irvin was going to fall down. or I was going to fall down. Inhale, open. Exhale, bow. Yeah, I thought she was going down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, either down dog, child's pose, or come through. We'll all meet up for 5 breaths in either child's pose or downward facing dog. Catch your breath, get grounded. All right, on your in-breath, look forward, step, or you can float forward. And exhale, fold. Utkatasana, chair pose on your in-breath. Exhale, press down, stand up, press down, stand up, reach straight up on your inhale. And exhale, release. Kick your feet out a little bit. So the birthday girl gets to pick her favorite pose. It can be standing or it can be a down pose because we're going down next. We're going to child's pose. You can get there any way you want to. Clunk. We're going to be here for a full 10 breaths. Any version of this that feels good for you, just get yourself there and relax. have about 4 more cycles of breath in this pose. Slide onto your belly. Palms down by your sides. And try to walk your middle fingers down. Imagine that your middle fingers are going to touch your toes. So you want to walk them down further. Palms down by your sides. Down on the mat. Yep. Forehead down. On your in-breath, lift your head, neck, and chest up. Arms up, but up and back. You can stay here for 5 breaths, pressing down into the toenails, or you can lift your legs up. Gaze is up with your chin in neutral. Breathe. On your in-breath, lift up a little higher. Exhale, bend your knees and reach for the tops of your feet or your ankles. Squeeze the shoulders together. Okay, stay here or kick up higher. 5 breaths. And release. Turn your palms up by your sides, cheek to one side. Close your eyes and relax. So even though some of this gets exciting and our heart rate goes up and it's wild, we want to feel grounded as well. So feel the parts of your body that are touching the earth and feel your breath. Switch cheeks. Bring your head back to center. We're going to roll onto our left side in the fetal position and take a little breather. 5 breaths. Somehow I want you to kind of press into the left upper arm and roll your left ribs under you more so you can open your arms out to the sides and shift your gaze to the right. And then you're going to take the top knee and bring it in toward your chest and then extend the leg out. So a big stretch. If your foot goes down to the floor, feel free. If your left hand grabs your left big toe, feel free. Otherwise, just let your leg be up in the air. We have 5 breaths here. Roll onto your back. Bridge pose, 10 breaths.
Take your time releasing the pose. Really, really, really gently come down. Let your knees come in toward your chest and roll onto your right side. Fetal position. Relax. Manipulate your body so that I usually would have to lift my right ribs and move them further out. We're going to open our arms, look over to the left, and turn this into a spinal twist. Then bring the left knee up in toward your chest and extend the left leg out. And we have 5 breaths here. Make your way onto your back. Let your knees come in towards your armpits and bring the soles of your feet together. Bring your hands in between your legs and hold on either outside your calves, ankles, or feet. And you can stay here. You can roll from side to side. You can even lift your head up. We have 10 breaths. It's a nice big hip opener. Release the pose. Place your feet down on the mat. Lift up into bridge. Come onto the balls of your feet. Take a big breath in. And exhale, slow motion, lower down. Let your knees come in. Roll off to one side. And take your time coming up to a seat. We're going to take the right ankle and put it on top of the left knee, and the right knee is going on top of the left ankle. Get both sitting bones grounded. Double stack fire logs. If you see a triangle when you look down, you're doing it right. If your right leg won't go all the way down, it's okay as long as this doesn't hurt your knees. You can stay up, you can bow. I'm just going to sit here and rock from side to side a little bit. 10 deep, slow breaths. Big, big hip stretch. And even though it's a big stretch, it's also a very grounded pose. It would be hard to blow away in this position. Wide base. If your eyes are closed, you can open your eyes. We're going to turn this into a wide-legged straddle. If this wide-legged straddle pose hurts you, just do it on your back instead. Your choice. You can stay up, you can bow, you can come to one side or the other. It's 10 breaths, so I'll tell you when we're halfway there. You're doing something on one side, you can switch. Very carefully, break the pose. Bring your legs out in front of you and shake them out. Double stack fire logs, other side. We're going to cross the left ankle on top of the right knee. Left knee on top of the right ankle. Oh. And 10 breaths. Another name for this pose is double king pigeon. So obviously most people are going to feel that pigeon type stretch in the hips. If you don't, wowie. That's okay, it's still happening. You can slowly break your pose. You can go back to a wide-legged straddle if you want, or Tadasana. So soles of the feet are together. It's still external rotation, but you want to slide your feet away from you and then just kind of come forward if it feels okay. Close your eyes. 10 breaths. Different part of the hips are getting stretched. Hopefully we satisfied your pigeon cravings, because we are not going to go into pigeon, but this is pigeonish enough. If you're down, you can slowly come up. Undo your legs. Bring your legs out in front of you. Roll your feet in and out. Shake your legs out a little bit. We're coming back onto our backs. It's time for an inversion. So any inversion you want. You can just have one leg up. You can have both legs up. You can have your legs up the wall. You can do shoulder stand and plow, you decide. It's going to be a nice long hold, so just come in and relax. And if you want to stay here for Shavasana, you are welcome to. So, obviously, if you're not in a passive inversion, you're not going to want to stay. You warm enough over there? You warm enough over there? Just breathe easy. You have a little while to go here before you have to make a decision about whether you want to stay here for Shavasana or not. If you're feeling comfortable and you want to hang out here for your relaxation, you can. If not, you can break the pose. And I want you to do anything that you need to be able to feel neutralized, whether it's happy baby, or hugging one knee into the chest and then the other, or whatever you need to do. If you're in a really windy spot and you want to move, feel free. Close your eyes. Let your feet flop out to the sides. Turn your palms up outside your body and relax. Give yourself the chance to feel grounded, strong, supported, steady. But easeful through the breath. Receiving, receiving, receiving. Begin to deepen your breath. Make some movements, little movements, whatever your body needs. Work your way into a big stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath in and smile. And exhale, relax. Hug your knees into your chest. Thank yourself for taking the time to get on your mat and do these practices. Roll off to your favorite side and gently press up to a seat. And bring your palms together in front of your heart. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. May the peace of your practice be with you today and every day. The highest in me honors the highest in you. Namaste. Thank you.